We're about to show you how to tap into this gold mine. Just take a look at this YouTube channel we discovered. They're creating basic kids entertaining videos with 2D animations, and some of their content has racked up nearly to 2 billion views. If we check their stats on Social Blade, they boast more than 56 million subscribers, and their monthly income ranges from $122,000 to $2 million. Now, that's remarkable. Today, we'll walk you through the process of creating a kids learning animated video using AI. We'll break it down into 5 simple steps. So, make sure you stick around until the end. Step 1. Script creation. Our first step involves crafting a script for our video. To do this, we'll utilize the power of ChatGPT. Let's give it a prompt. Write a child learning video script about various places in India. Then, ChatGPT will generate an engaging YouTube video script, copy the host's part of the text, and save it in Notepad or somewhere else. Step 2. Voice generation. In the second step, we'll generate the voice for our video using a text-to-speech AI known as Natural Reader. Here, you just need to select the voice and paste the whole script. Start screen recording before playing the script to record the voice. Once you're satisfied, stop recording and save it. Now let's open any video editing software and extract the voice as MP3 while making different parts of it. To make it simpler to edit those further. Step 3. Animation. Step 3 is all about animation, and we'll be using Adobe Express, a free AI animation tool. Open Adobe Express and click on this button to create. Select a fun character to engage your young audience, and remember, we're targeting kids. Customize the background with a suitable color, and set the video size to the YouTube standard. Upload the audio clips we exported earlier into Adobe Express. After a bit of processing time, you'll be able to download the animated character with the audio. Simply click Download to save the video. You can also adjust the background if needed. Repeat this process for all audio clips. Step 4. Visual elements. We'll use Canva to add more visual elements to our video. If you're new to Canva, create an account using your email. Click on Video, find suitable backgrounds, and search for animated elements like trees and birds to make the video more visually appealing. Add these elements and adjust their positions. Then, select the duration, export the backgrounds you are looking to use. Step 5. Video editing. Now, it's time to put everything together and add those finishing touches. We're using CapCut as our video editing software. Import all your animated videos and background videos into your editing software. Layer them to match the script's narration. Adjust video durations to ensure synchronization. Enable chroma key for the animated character to blend seamlessly with the background. Repeat these steps for all animated clips in your script. Once you've perfected the editing, hit the export button to create your final video. And there you have it. You've successfully created a captivating kids learning animated video using AI. Now, all that's left to do is upload it to your YouTube channel and start generating that passive income. We'd love to hear about your experiences and results in the comments below.
Hello, young explorers. Welcome to an exciting journey through India, a land of incredible diversity and beauty. Are you ready to discover some amazing places in India? Let's get started. Our first stop is the Taj Mahal, a majestic white marble palace in Agra. It's one of the most famous landmarks in the world, and it's known as the symbol of love. It was built by a king in memory of his beloved queen. Now, we're in Jaipur, also called the Pink City, because many buildings are painted pink. Here, you can visit palaces, like the Hawa Mahal, and explore the vibrant markets. Next, we're in Kerala, famous for its serene backwaters. You can take a boat ride and see the beautiful landscapes and spot exotic birds. Finally, we're at the sunny beaches of Goa. Here, you can build sandcastles, swim in the warm sea, and enjoy delicious seafood.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep creating.